Hi Cap! Hi Sir Edsel! Hi Gashi! I would like to thank you for all these opportunities. Maraming salamat sa pagkakataon na to. This is my first time to go abroad and I really had a good experience. Maraming salamat po sa lahat sa opportunity, sa experience na to na hindi ko makakalimutan sa buong buhay ko. My first ever tatak sa passport. It's because of you. And I would like also to thank this personal gift. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Thank you so much. And this will be a very significant part sa buhay ko dahil nakapag-abroad ako with all the experiences, with all the convenience, at saka yung lahat ng blessings. Sana pagbalain pa kayo ng Diyos. At we always pray for you. And we thank you so much for taking care of us, taking care of everyone. Thank you so much again sa that opportunity. And God bless you. Thank you so much po talaga. My first ever tatak passport. Before I renew it, akala ko hindi ko na matatatakan. But natupad. It's because of you. Thank you so much.